Hi, my name is Pat Goodwin with Pat Goodwin Associates. Today I'd like to talk about what is gender discrimination in hiring. I believe that it's alive and well. I believe that there are times that a company may have a preconceived idea or notion about the fact that they want a specific gender for the job. It is against the law to base hiring on gender specifically unless there are specific requirements that would be more toward a certain gender doing the job. But those skills would be listed in the job, and you could really take a look at what skills are needed, and then can you, based on which gender you are, do that job. So as you go into the interview, you want to impress upon that company that you can do the job, you have read the job description very carefully, that you have either past experience or you have the desire to do that work, and that you would like very much to be considered for that role and that position. So if you feel like, once you've interviewed for the job, that you have been blatantly discriminated against because of gender, then that's something that you may want to write a letter to the company about, expressing your concern and your disappointment in the fact that you were not considered and you were clearly given indication that you were discriminated against based on gender. You may want to call their HR department and register an official complaint, or write a city official, or write someone that's higher up in that company. But I would encourage you to be very open-minded about what are the skills requirements, what is it that you can do, what is it that you will do, and are you a fit based on the job itself. And then once you've done that, if you feel like that you have the qualifications for that job, then go for it. If you feel that you have been discriminated against due to gender, then I would definitely bring that to someone's attention. Thank you.